Mars mission launches on Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket. Mars mission launches on Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket. Blue Origin successfully launched its New Glenn rocket Thursday, carrying a pair of NASA spacecraft destined for Mars. The mission marks a significant step forward in both planetary science and the development of reusable launch systems, with the booster's successful recovery demonstrating progress towards lowering the cost of space travel. The 321-foot New Glenn lifted off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station after a 4-day delay caused by adverse weather and strong solar storms. The launch deployed NASA's twin Mars orbiters, ESCAPADE, on a multi-year journey to study the red planet's atmosphere and magnetic fields. This launch is crucial not only for scientific discovery, but also because it showcases Blue Origin's capability to deliver payloads beyond Earth orbit, a key requirement for future lunar and Martian missions. Reusable technology drives down costs. A key element of the mission was the recovery of the New Glenn booster after stage separation. Landing the booster upright on a drone ship 375 miles offshore, Blue Origin proved its ability to recycle hardware, a method pioneered by SpaceX, but now being adopted by more companies. This reusability is critical for reducing the financial burden of space exploration, making future missions more sustainable. ESCAPADE, mapping the Martian atmosphere. The ESCAPADE orbiters will spend a year in Earth orbit before leveraging a gravity assist in late 2026 to reach Mars in 2027. Once in orbit, the spacecraft will map the planet's upper atmosphere and scattered magnetic fields, investigating how these interact with the solar wind. This research is vital for understanding how Mars lost its atmosphere over billions of years, turning from a potentially habitable world into the dry, dusty planet we know today. The mission also has implications for astronaut safety, as the data collected will help scientists develop better strategies to shield future crews from the harsh radiation environment on Mars. Low-cost science in action, managed and operated by UC Berkeley, the ESCAPADE mission is a relatively low-budget endeavor, costing under $80 million. NASA secured an early flight slot on New Glenn to save money, though the launch window was nearly missed due to concerns about the rocket's reliability. The space race continues. The New Glenn launch is part of a broader competition between private space companies, particularly Blue Origin and SpaceX. Both firms are vying for NASA contracts, including future lunar landings under the Artemis program. NASA recently reopened the contract for the first crewed lunar landing, citing concerns about SpaceX's Starship development timeline, creating an opportunity for Blue Origin to re-enter the competition. The agency is also pushing to accelerate crewed lunar missions, aiming to return astronauts to the surface by the end of the decade to maintain leadership in space exploration and compete with China's growing ambitions. This mission underscores the increasing role of private companies in driving innovation and lowering costs in space exploration. While the race to return humans to the Moon and eventually Mars remains a central focus for NASA and its partners.